Hello, my name is Shasha. Today we are going to learn about multimeters. What is a multimeter? Multimeter is a combination of 4 basic meters. We have direct current voltage meter, DCV meter, alternating current voltage meter, ACV meter, current meter, DCMA meter, and resistance meter, ohm meter. Multimeter is divided into 2 parts, range and scale. The range consists of 4 parts. The parts are DCV range, ACV range, ohm range, and DCMA range. There are 2 ranges to measure the volt, ACV and DCV. Let's focus on ACV first. It contains 4 levels of range. It is
1000, 250, 50, and 10.
The second is DCV. It contains 6 levels of range. It is
1000, 250, 50, 10, 2.5, and 0.5.
There are 4 choices to measure current.
0.5 ampere, 25 milliampere, 2.5 milliampere, 50 microampere.
There are 5 choices to measure resistance.
Times 1 ohm, times 10 ohm, times 100 ohm, times 1 k ohm, times 10 k ohm. Between the 4 meters, only the ohm meters is using a battery. To prove this, let's open the back cover of this multimeter. There are 2 types of battery in multimeters, which is 1.5 2 units and 9 volt 1 unit. To test either the ohm meter are functional or not, we remove both batteries and do a test. When we touch the probes together, we can see that the needle is not functioning. When we put a 1.5 volt battery and then touch the probe together with scale times 1, times 10, times 100, times 1k, we can see that the needle moves to set a 0 adjustment. And when we put a 9 volt battery and then touch the probe together with scale times 10k, we can see the needle and the scale or meter are functioning and do a 0 adjustment.
So, hopefully by watching this video could help and gain your knowledge about multimeter. Thank you for watching. Bye!